We'll guide you through how to deploy a project on Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly sign up using your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. Once you're in, click on the New Project button at the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see a list of your repositories from your connected Git providers. Choose the repository you want to deploy. Next, you need to configure your project. You can set the root directory if your project is not at the root of the repository. You also have the option to set environment variables by clicking on the Environment Variables tab if your application requires them. After configuring, click the Deploy button. Vercel will then begin the deployment process. During the deployment, Vercel builds your project using the settings you've configured. You can watch the build logs in real time to see the progress. Once the deployment is complete, you'll be provided with a URL to your live site. If there are any issues during deployment, Vercel provides error messages to help you troubleshoot. You can also customize your deployment settings by going to the Project Settings page, where you can configure domains, redirects, and other advanced settings. Remember, Vercel automatically handles continuous deployment, so any changes pushed to your connected branch will automatically deploy. This makes it incredibly convenient for maintaining your live site. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.